Math giving you headaches, these four powerful apps can solve problems instantly and help you actually understand every step like a pro. Number 4. There's an app that actually does that. Meet Solvely, Math Solver and Homework Helper, rated 4.8 stars with over 5 million downloads and more than 80k reviews. Just take a picture and it breaks down the solution step by step. Not just the answer, but how you get there. From algebra and calculus to trigonometry, probability, even college level equations, it handles almost everything. And here's the game changer. It doesn't just solve, it teaches. You get clear explanations so you actually understand the concept, not just copy the result. Stuck at 2 a.m.? The built-in AI tutor is ready anytime to explain things in simple terms until it clicks. So instead of struggling through homework, you move faster, learn smarter, and stress way less. Math just got a serious upgrade. The number 3, there's an app called Symbolab, and it's been blowing up with students, sitting at a 4-star rating with over 10 million installs and around 142k reviews. Here's the crazy part. You just snap a photo of any math problem. And it doesn't just give you an answer, it walks you through step by step like a personal tutor in your pocket. Algebra, calculus, trigonometry, matrices, graphs, it handles all of it. And it even has hundreds of built-in calculators for almost every math topic you can think of. Instead of guessing or getting stuck for hours, you actually start understanding how to solve it. That's why so many students are using it daily for homework help and exam prep. Would you trust an app to help you learn math faster, or do you still prefer the old school way? Number 2, what if I told you there's an app that can literally solve your math homework just by looking at it? Yeah, no typing everything out. Just snap a photo and boom, you've got the answer plus the steps. This is Mathway, and it's sitting at a 4-star rating with over 400,000 reviews and more than 50 million downloads. And students aren't using it just for quick answers, they're using it when they're completely stuck and don't know where to even start. Algebra, calculus, trigonometry, statistics, it handles all of it. From simple equations to those nightmare level problems that usually take forever. But here's the real game changer, it doesn't just solve it. It breaks it down step by step, like a tutor showing you exactly what to do next. So instead of guessing or giving up, you actually learn the process while finishing your homework faster. It's basically like having a math expert in your pocket, available anytime, day or night. Now be honest, if you had this during a tough math test, would you still struggle the same way? Lastly, at number 1, we've got an app that's quietly taking over classrooms in the US. And most students still don't fully realize how powerful it is. I'm talking about Photomath. Now here's the problem. Math can get overwhelming fast. You're stuck on one equation and suddenly the whole homework feels impossible. This is where Photomath steps in. Just scan any math problem with your camera and boom. It doesn't just give you the answer. It shows you every single step broken down clearly. But wait, there's more. It works on everything from basic arithmetic to advanced calculus, even tricky word problems that usually take forever. And this is where it gets crazy. It doesn't just solve, it teaches you multiple methods so you actually understand why the answer works, not just what it is. With over 100 million downloads and a 4.2 rating, it's already one of the most trusted learning apps worldwide. The real reason people love it is simple. It feels like having a 24/7 math tutor in your pocket. And yes, it even includes graphs, video explanations, and an advanced calculator all in one place. That's a wrap. Pick your favorite app and make math homework simpler, faster, and easier every single day.